Hello, and welcome to another SaaS tutorial for our CB Exchange Server Sync. Today, we will see how to create a sync pair using the Sign in with Microsoft option. After you've logged into your SaaS portal, you will be able to go to the configuration of the CB Exchange Server Sync service. On the top left corner, you can click on Create Pair, and after that, sign in with Microsoft. A pop-up window will show up, and you can enter your email address and password. After you've signed in with your Microsoft account, you will be authenticated to our service. Perfect. Let's do that for the second account. The same process, enter the Microsoft account, the respective password, and you are authenticated. From now on, all you need to do is define the synchronization settings. Let's define a 60-second polling interval. Let's decide to sync all items, and let's define a start day of sync. We want this synchronization to be done bidirectionally, and then as you can see, there are a whole lot of different settings that you can define, but let's leave it as simple as possible for this. After the pair is created, you can start the synchronization process and everything will start to be synchronized from the start day of sync date. Let's see a quick example of this. We have both calendars here. When we create a meeting with the test meeting, testing SaaS, and we can even give it a category. Let's give it the red category. After saving it, and after a couple of seconds, depending on the polling interval you define, the meeting will be synced to the other calendar, as we can see here. Same title, same description, and same category. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Have a nice day.